Hello, students! The content of this study is the determination of soil organic matter content by hydration heat method. First, let's understand the principle of the method. The principle of hydration heat method is the same as that of potassium dichromate method, but the difference is that potassium dichromate method uses oil bath to supplement the heat energy of oxidation reaction, while this method uses the high heat, hydration heat, generated when concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate aqueous solution are mixed and allowed to naturally cool for 30 minutes as the oxidation heat source. The oxidation rate of hydration heat method is only 71%, and the correction coefficient is 1.4. Next, let's take a look at the experimental reagents and appliances. Air-dried soil sample, potassium dichromate water standard solution, concentrated sulfuric acid, ferrous sulfate standard solution, phenanthrolene indicator, quartzite, electric balance, Erlenmeyer flask, asbestos wire mesh, pipette, measuring cylinder, acid burette, etc. 3 operation steps. I weigh the sample, accurately weigh 0.4 to 0.5 grams of air-dried soil sample, passing through a 60-mesh sieve with an electronic balance. And put it into the bottom of a 250 milliliter conical flask. 2. Adding oxidant. Accurately add 5 milliliters of 1,667 moles per liter of potassium dichromate standard solution with 5 milliliter pipette and gently shake to disperse the soil particles. 3. Add concentrated sulfuric acid. Quickly add 10 milliliters concentrated sulfuric acid with a 10 milliliter pipette and shake it gently for 1 minute to fully mix the soil with the reagent. 4. Wait for 30 minutes. Put the conical flask on asbestos wire and let it stand for 30 minutes. 5. Add indicator. Add about 50 milliliters of distilled water with a graduated cylinder. Add 3 to 4 drops of phenanthrolene indicator and shake well. 6. Titration. Titration with a 0.25 moles per liter ferrous sulfate standard solution to brownish red is the end point. The discoloration process of the solution is orange-yellow, blue-green, brown and red. Write down the dosage of ferrous sulfate as 18.20 milliliters. Blank test. When measuring, 2 blank tests must be done at the same time to take quartz sand instead of soil sample. Other steps are the same as those for soil sample measurement. Write down the 2 blank tests. The titration dosage of ferrous sulfate is 20.70 milliliters and 20.71 milliliters respectively, and the average value is 20.71 milliliters. 4. Calculation of results. Soil organic matter content is equal to V, 0 minus V times C, times 0.003 times 1.724 times 1.4 times M, times 100% in the formula. V0 is the volume of ferrous sulfate consumed in titration blank experiment. V is the volume of ferrous sulfate consumed when titrating the sample. C is the concentration of ferrous sulfate solution. 0.003 is the millimolar mass of 1/4 carbon atom. 1.724 is the coefficient of conversion from organic carbon to organic matter. 1.4 is the hydration heat oxidation correction coefficient. M is the weight of dried soil. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching.